Hey, what's good, barbecue family? It's your boy Joe Mill here, back with Killer Miller Q, and today we got ourselves a mail call and a new review and an unboxing on this 16-inch Bighorn pizza pellet oven. You're gonna like this. Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo. We got ourselves a mail call 16-inch pellet pizza oven, Bighorn. Let's get this baby outside. Alright, got this thing outside now. I figure it'd be a little bit easier with a little bit more space. Still a nice, hot, sunny day here in AZ. The good people over here at Bighorn put me on this one, man. I thought it might be a nice addition, so we're going to check it out. First day, obviously, getting it up out of the package. 16-inch pellet pizza oven. This is pretty nice. I'm looking forward to this as we love some pizza around here. So let's go ahead and work to get this up out the package. I'm assuming this is just going to be your general user manual and instructions. It looks pretty straightforward. This almost reminds me, as far as the way that it sets up, almost like a charcoal chimney, as far as you pretty much light everything right there in that chute. And then add that in, and that's where your fire and your air comes out of. So it seems to be very efficient with its delivery of heat versus how many little pellets you use. So I'm not expecting a whole lot other than I think you're just adding the legs on, maybe the arm or whatever on the door, and putting together the chimney. So this should be pretty easy. I'm gonna grab the rest of this out the package and be right back. I'll let you check this thing out midway through. Man, this thing is a unit, so it doesn't look like you got to put the legs on. They're already attached. I do like the decal right there. I got shocked over there on that one leg. It was packed away really tight here and good to go. This thing is pretty heavy. I want to say it had on the box about 52 pounds. I'm going to flatten it out, and we'll see what this looks like. All right, we'll unveil it together. This thing is definitely bigger than I thought it was, which is cool. I like that. Alright, that's the gate to control the airflow in here, and I believe this is our pellets, maybe. Yeah, chimney. Ooh. Front door, and we got some components in here. Pretty much got the majority of it out of the plastic, and I have to say, with some of my initial impressions, this thing is a lot more solid than I thought it would be. Not that I expected it to be flimsy, but it's really good. It's really well made. Also like that there's this little thermometer here. Still got to take the pizza stone out, but plenty of room to get you a nice sized pizza in there, and to be able to get one out, which I've had issues with before. The setup is pretty easy. We're pretty much gonna just kind of start by removing this hopper plate right here, which I believe you just pretty much discard. But just give me 1 second and we're gonna bang right through this thing. And that's about it. That wasn't too hard at all. At the end of the day, this thing looks good. All this good stainless steel sitting here. You got a nice, good, sturdy handle. Super easy on the assembly. Legs was already put together. Couple screws that you unscrew and put back in, pretty much. Screws right in. You got your area where your pellet goes into. It's pretty nice. Easy. I don't know if you can see down in there too good or if the light's probably getting you. Then you got your little handle to kind of pull out your pellet tray and the divider to kind of let your ashes separate and everything. So overall, it's pretty nice, man. It's, like I said, a lot more heavy duty than I maybe even thought it might have been. This top here is I've seen like people can actually use this as a shovel for your pellets when you're adding them in, maybe as you're going. And then I think also long term you can always take that top portion off, and then when you're not cooking, actually cover this top up and just stick it down. Oops, my bad. Stick it right down in there on top, and then you have your top all covered up. Door is super easy. As it's pretty much, I was wondering how I would get used to it. Pretty much it literally just kind of slides in and then boom, hangs right in there. This pizza oven and stone, if you didn't see while I was putting it together, is huge. You could easily get a couple pizzas on here if you wanted to, even though it'd probably be hell to try to turn them. But one way or another, you can definitely get you a nice size large in here. But I enjoy the start of this. I did kind of already look at the instructions, and pretty much all you need to do before we get to actually using this, you see Bighorn, I like the decal, is get a good clean burn on it here going. Let it go for about 30 minutes just to kind of burn off some of the impurities on the inside, which we'll be kind of doing first, and then we'll go ahead and get that first cook, which will be a pizza. You can also use this oven if you wanted to for like steak, chicken wings, or something like that. I would just take out that pizza stone. So quick wrap up, quick little unboxing. Next thing we gotta do is get some smoke coming up out this top.
And team, this one's a wrap, but if you haven't done it already, go to that bottom right corner and make sure that you subscribe and check out any other videos on the channel that you've missed. And if you haven't done it already, find me on Facebook, IG, and TikTok. We'll be back real soon to go ahead and get the initial firing going on this baby, as well as the initial cook. And other than that, shouts out to my boys over there at Black Smoke Barbecue, the family. You out there in TV land for checking this out, and definitely Bighorn. I appreciate you.